Night Out is an Arts Council of Wales scheme that works with the local authorities to help community volunteers organise nearly 600 amazing shows each year in local venues such as village halls, community centres, chapels and school halls.
The Night Out scheme is an extremely simple and welcoming scheme for any of us, if you're a community hall or a small theatre.
It's very easy to use. You can go onto the website, you can see a list of all the shows that are available, when they're available. You can register as a promoter. Possibly for a new person, the easiest thing to do would be to ring you up and talk about it.
They are incredibly helpful and obviously very, very knowledgeable, so don't feel as if you're working with a sort of faceless bureaucracy. You're working with human beings, which is great.
We work hard to offer a great variety of really high quality artists, especially ones that are geared up for community halls who come with their own lights and sound. That way when the community put on the event they can be sure it'll be something special and will go down really well.
What I would do is I'd go online, I would look at the very long list of different kinds of shows and events that they have there on offer.
Shows will be recommended. It depends on your hall and that, but they'll cater for whatever size venue we've got, whether it's a small pub or whether it's a big ballroom.
We then pencil in a date, and I send a form off to the Arts Council. They will guarantee their fee. This is a great comfort to us. It does mean we can put on professional performances that we couldn't even dream about otherwise.
Night Out scheme will then supply with tickets. The artist that you've booked will usually send posters and flyers for you to promote it. And the best results we've had in promoting are talking to people, handing out programmes, telling them what it's about. It's one thing shoving them through the door, but the best way is to go out and talk to people.
It is so simple to organise. It's a feel-good factor, really, that you are actually putting something on in your own community.
Well, everything can be done online. You just, at the end of it, you fill in how many people turned up, what ages, and it's just like tick boxes, and it takes less than 2 minutes. It's really simple. Although the money you take on the door, you need to pay the Night Out scheme. It's a fantastic way to make extra money by doing raffles and different things like that. I think our young group made over £100 on a raffle that evening, so, and that's money they can keep to go towards some other stuff they do, which is really great.
Yeah, the Night Out scheme is great because we offer a range of shows. We can look at them, we choose the ones we want, and we can put them on and promote them in the knowledge that we can't really lose any money, which is, for a small group, is terrific.
Night Out pays the performer fee and the local promoter pays back the ticket income they make at the door. So working in conjunction with the local authorities of Wales, we take away that financial risk for the community of putting on the event.
We're very much a farming community and it's a wonderful way of getting people together of all ages.
The thing is in these areas is people have never seen sort of live shows, but what we like to do is like to put family shows on where the family are all come as a unit. It contributes to community cohesion, it brings everybody together, and they come along and they have a great time. And they're still talking about it now.
It makes a village hall somewhere special to come. Every time we have a night out event, we get audience members that have never been to the hall before. There's nothing left in the village where people can get together. The shop's gone, the post office is gone, so this is the venue where all the people of the community can come together, and that's what works with Night Out, is that they all come, all the generations.
It's absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've got a 10-year-old daughter who came here tonight with me, and she gets to have a little taste of other countries, so to have it on your doorstep, it's brilliant. I would have had to have gone to Cardiff or something with her to watch it, and it's, I don't drive, so it's amazing.
It hasn't been open for long, this club, been reopened, so it's really good. It brings the community together and brings more people into this club, and it's good for the young people as well.
The community like us, disadvantaged community, it greatly helped because of this support. Then we can think of stage cultural program, but without the support, sometimes we really think, we may not be able to do it due to all the cost involved.
I think it's very important that you're able to organise evenings, theatre, music evenings in your village hall. It's an occasion. It's an opportunity to enjoy together. The whole community brings communities close together, families, pensioners, young people, children. Everybody is able to enjoy performances together.
I would recommend the Night Out scheme to anybody. It's just so easy. The artists that you're able to book are fantastic. They're first class. It gives the opportunity for people in communities to see some stuff that they would never otherwise see.
Yeah, we always come to the hall. I feel that Donny, entertainment manager, does a cracking job of getting everyone in and putting a really good night on for everyone. It's a place where everyone, the whole community comes to see a good show and have a good night out.
Give it a go. It may take you one or two shows to really build your audience or start to build your audience. Even if you only get 25 people there, it's 25 people who wouldn't otherwise have had a theatrical experience.
It's brought the community together, and I feel it is going to benefit this particular community because there does need to be something, happening in this type of area.
At the end of an evening, to see all of the community going home, looking happy, having had a great live theatre night out, you must do it. It's almost foolish not to.
Use the Night Out scheme.